Good morning for me, and welcome to another episode of Sketches from the Car. I haven't done this in a while, but I'm back into it. It's the fall. It's actually quite warm today, but I am driving all sorts of places, and so what better use of my time than to do some nature journaling from the car to get in touch with the present moment, with the life in me and around me, and just to connect to life. So let's go. I'll do a quick sketch of my surrounding environment. So here's what I'm looking at. Some trees, nice little foliage landscape here. And so you can sketch anything that you see. You could also pick up something that is on the ground, or like a leaf or stick or something. And so I am going to do this. Okay. So I've got my Prismacolor Premier Sienna Brown today. Why not? It was in my pencil case. And so I'm just going to connect with the landscape. So I see this, there's like a hillside. So I'm just drawing the hillside here. And then a tree right here. Nice little tree. It's got a lovely shape. So abstract, not worried about how this comes out. It's not about how it comes out, it's about my practice. So I do see like a couple branches, like it's very a dense canopy here, but I do kind of see a little bit. And then behind it is a larger tree, but farther away. So it's actually, and you can kind of, once you get one thing down in drawing, you can use it as kind of like a place to measure everything else. Like, how big is this? Okay, then this tree comes up to about here. On this one, here's the big trunk of it, and I can see the big trunk of it go up quite far into it. It's a big old, looks like an oak or something over there, so I can see the trunk until it kind of gets obscured. And then this, I might have made it a little bit too thick, the trunk, and then behind I can see the tops of some trees, and they start about here, and it's just kind of like this silhouetted background there, and it's just the foliage. There's like a bush, little bush right here, and you can get as like detailed or as not detailed as you want. Over on this side, got some more trees, tops of trees over there. So there I have my hillside, and I have my two trees, I have some bushes, and then you can really get, more detailed, as much as you want. You're in charge, you're the artist, and you can decide what goes in there, and what you focus on and what you exclude. So let's see, there's kind of over here, there's like a fence. This goes down sloping. And there's just a couple. So fence. And behind the fence is a tree right here. So this tree has a couple branches that you can see, and then just its canopy. You can kind of see its the little like trunks going out in the interior of it. And yeah, that's my little landscape. I could, put in, here's like a stop sign. So it's gotta be like really small. Stop sign in there. And then there's another one over here. Because this is actually a road that we can't see. This guy, when I look at it, is rooted down in the hillside a little bit here. So, stop sign. So, and then this is just grass. So I'm gonna just fill it in, and it comes down to about here, and then there's the edge of the parking lot where I'm parked. So let's kind of change the texture there a little bit. So there I go. I've connected to the landscape and I'm feeling centered and grounded. You can do this anywhere. You can do it of anything. So give it a try.